In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a bid on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or dipping your toes into the world of online auctions for the first time, knowing how to bid on eBay can help you snag great deals on a wide array of items. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you not only understand how to place a bid, but also feel confident in your online auction endeavors. First things first, you'll want to open eBay and log into your account. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's an essential first step. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. Simply click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Here, either input your credentials or register a new account if you've never used eBay before. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the auction listing of the item you're interested in. This could be anything from electronics to vintage clothing, so take your time exploring the site and finding that perfect item. Use the search bar at the top to make things easier, inputting specific keywords that describe what you're looking for. After you've located the item, click on it to be directed to its detailed listing page. Here you can find all the important information about the product, including descriptions, seller details, and the current bid. When you've decided this is definitely the item you want, direct your gaze towards the Place Bid button. Clicking on the Place Bid button is your gateway to participating in the auction. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted to enter your maximum bid amount. This is the highest amount you're willing to pay for the item, and it allows eBay's automated system to bid incrementally on your behalf. Enter an amount you're comfortable with, considering both your budget and the current bid status. With your maximum bid amount set, click Place Bid to initiate your offer. This action is crucial as it signals to eBay that you're serious about acquiring the item. Be mindful that certain items or sellers may have reserve prices or bid increments, so keep this in mind as you enter your bid. Lastly, you'll be prompted to confirm your bid. By doing so, you authorize eBay to automatically bid for you as needed up to your maximum amount. Confirmation is a crucial step as it finalizes your participation in the auction. You can always check the status of your bid under My eBay to track whether you're winning or if further action is needed as the auction progresses. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to effectively place a bid on eBay. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to dive into the world of online auctions. Happy bidding, and may the best bid